Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Cubot Note 50. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and then click on Child or Teen. Now click Next. Then click on Other Create Account for your child. And you have to enter your child's email address. Now click Next. And now you have to enter your child password. Now you have to click I agree. And then click accept. Now you have to select your account. And here you have to enter your parent account. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. Now you have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click next, then click more, and next. Now click next again. And here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then you can install this app manually. And now click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.